is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your PlayStation 5 cannot read your game disc. So you might have a bunch of like fingerprints and stuff and smudges on here. Maybe that's not the issue. How you're actually placing in your game disc is the issue. So if you are placing it in the wrong way, it's not going to be showing up on your PlayStation 5. And it doesn't really give you a clear direction of how to place it in. So if I place it in like this, nothing's going to load on my screen. So you got to do it correctly. So if it's not showing up, just eject the disc and flip it around, and you should be good to go. So nothing's showing up on my PlayStation 5, so I'm going to eject the disc. So here's the eject button. It's the one inside. The one that's lower is the power button. So I'm going to flip it around now. So the graphics need to be facing the black part on the console, the inside of the console. So just like this. And when I place it in, you'll hear it spin up. And it'll start booting on my PlayStation 5 now. So I hear it spinning. And maybe like the fan or something, it kind of sounds like it's kicking in. And I can see it actually on my PlayStation 5 now. So this is the way you have to put it in, just like this. Now if you still are having issues, you can try cleaning any of the smudges on it, but most of the time it's just the way that people place it in. So I have a microfiber cleaning cloth. This is something I got with my glasses. It won't scratch the disc. You might have something similar for like cleaning your dishes or something like that. You could try just cleaning off the smudges, or maybe just use a little bit of toothpaste on here and then just wipe it down, and that will remove anything from there as well. Just make sure there's no water or scratches on your disc from doing that. Use a proper material to clean off your disc. So microfiber cleaning cloth, go and try that out, and then put it back in, and it should work. Graphics towards the middle. Boom, it'll start up and you'll hear the sound. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.